How to fix the problem of temporarily lock on Amazon. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. For this, you will have to open up your email or text messages from the Amazon. You would be getting an email with the section or the subject called account on hold. This might be due to the security reasons from Amazon in order to keep your account safe. So if your account is on hold, you should have received an email or text message from Amazon, and after that you can just simply open up that text message and you would be getting a link in that. Just simply click on it and log into your Amazon account. After that, you need to complete a form that is provided by Amazon and provide the necessary documents or any information that is being asked for. After that, your account should be unlocked quite easily, and this is the only and the easiest way, or there is no other way. So just do this and after that your account should be unlocked. I hope this information was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.